Crude oil markets give up early gains for the week. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The West Texas Intermediate crude oil market has rallied a bit to test the 50-week EMA, only to turn around and show signs of negativity. All things being equal, this is a market that continues to see a lot of noise in general, and therefore I think it's not a huge surprise that we couldn't hang on to the gains as we got close to the $80 level, which is more or less the top of the overall consolidation range between that level and the $67.50 level. In general, this is a market that I think is trying to sort out what it's going to do going forward due to the fact that the global economy seems to be a bit of a mess. And if that's the case, it does make a certain amount of sense that crude oil could struggle. Ultimately, I think longer term traders are just looking at a sideways market, and it is going to be difficult to put a lot of money to work. The Brent market is doing very much the same as it continues to bounce around. At this point, it is basically near the 200-week EMA, and it is not quite to the middle, but close to the middle of the larger consolidation area that we've been in for 2 years. I don't think that really changed much, and I think at this point in time you are still a buyer of dips in oil to a point, but I also realize that this is a market that just does not know where to go because, quite frankly, we haven't known where to go for almost 2 complete years. I don't think anything on this chart changes that overall attitude. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.